Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari suggestions on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on Safari. Next, we want to go down and tap on Safari suggestions. So tap on the switch to turn it on or off. Now if we switch it off, you can see if I go to my web browser and let's say if I put in a search keyword, IAPL, you can see this is what it looks like with the suggestions switch off. And if I switch it on, and again if I go in and put in APL, you can see it will immediately suggest stocks for this keyword, because this is a stock that it would normally find for this keyword, so it will offer on the first result. Now down here it also suggests using the Google search suggestions, and then if there are any other bookmark, it also suggests in here because I have no bookmark in associations with this keyword, that's why it's not showing. But if there is something, it will try to display in the list down here. And that's how you can switch on or switch off Safari suggestions on the iPhone 12 series. And that's it. Finally, we can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.